Hi, we will continue the very last part of this lecture. So we're ready now to graph the the rational function. So sorry, using this information that we have. So first, let's plot the or graph the intercepts and then vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Okay. So here. So we'll do the straight line. Okay. And then we're going to plot the intercepts. So first we have the x-intercept of -1. So -1. So allow me to use this color. Let's say we have a green. Okay, another green. -1. Right, so don't forget -1. So here, this is -1. -1. Next is the y-intercept. That's 1/4. 1/4 is, do not forget, that's 0.25. That's the same as, yeah. So that is equal to 0.25. So y is 0.25. So gamay na gid siya diri, no? So that's 0.25. So na siya diha, no? And then next we're going to plot the vertical asymptote. So importante ng vertical asymptote, no? So ang vertical asymptote nato kay x equals -4. Okay. So asa man ang x equals -4. Okay, let's change the color. Let's say you have violet. -4. So somewhere here. So let's say we have -2, -3, -4. And then straight broken line. Okay, wala na straight. Right. See? Okay, so we already have an equation for our vertical asymptote. So this is our vertical asymptote. That's x equals -4. Okay, we already plotted or graphed the vertical asymptote. Next, before plotting the horizontal asymptote, tanawon sa nato, no? Tanawon sa nato ang left side. Unsay behavior sa function sa left side of the vertical asymptote o right side of the vertical asymptote. So before doing the okay? So tanaw na to. So magbuhat tag kanang gitawag or magkuha tag mga gitawag nga test points. Okay? Test points. Duol kang x equals -4. Okay? So karon maghimo tag gamay nga table. Ilawang table. Okay. So here we have to put x, and here we are going to put f of x matong gamit, no? So f of x, of course, tanawon sa nato ang behavior sa function from the left side of this horizontal asymptote. So mukuha lang tag mga values nga duol kang -4 on the left side, okay? So let's say mukuha lang tag duha, okay? Let's say duha or tulo. So let's say duha. So let's say ang kuha nako -5 unyang isa kay -4.5, okay? So -5 ang x, ang isa -4.5. Let's see what happens. Unsay mahitabo sa f of x? Mo approach ba siya og positive infinity or negative infinity? So depende kung pilay values ana ron. Okay. So let's try. Okay, so we have f of 0 -5, so that is the function is actually x plus 1 x plus 4, okay? X plus 1 x plus 4, so that is -4 over -1, that's +4, so the value is 4, okay? For -4.5, so this is -4.5 plus 1, substitute that in your function, -4.5 plus 1, so that is -3.5 over this is 4, alright? So yeah, let's see. Plus 4. So this is -0.5. So the answer is obviously positive. Okay, and then let's calculate this one. So that's -0.5. So 3.5 divided by 0.5. So the answer is 7. Positive 7. So the answer is positive 7. So imagine kung dakoon paduol ni siya, let's say -4.25, -4.15, for example. So what happens now here? Mudako ang iyahang, okay? Mudako, di ba? Okay, nag 5 nya -4.5 nagkadako. So let's plot this one. So kung 5 daw, -5, ang value niya kay, kung -5 ang value kay 4. So these are the points. Kung -4.5, ang isa kay 7. So may mo siyang 4. So 1, 2, sorry, it should be 2, 3, 4. So there no. Okay, negative, okay. Okay, then for -4.5, that's 7. So this is already 5. This is 6. This is 7. So kung -4.5, so diyan 7. So as you can observe, pag nagkaduol ang atong x from the left side, okay, nagkaduol, so ang atong function nagasaka. So ang behavior niya, meaning paingon mo approach ang positive infinity. Alright? Okay, we can extend this one. Or we can extend this one if you want. Alright. So yeah. As you can see, our function approaches, no? Right. Okay. Kung dugang pa ni values dere, okay lang pod. Let's say -4.25, -4.50, -4.1 or 10. You know, the values of x approaches to infinity. Positive, all right? How about, so dili siya negative infinity, paana day siya, no? Kadi man pwede nga ana at the same time ana, dili man na ma-function by using vertical line test, right? So kung pasaka siya, dili na gina sa pababa. So that's what I'm trying to mean. Now on the left side, from the right side, what will happen now? Okay, so we can make same table right here. So I can erase this one and then make a similar table and similar computation. So let's pick any number, okay, from the right of this vertical asymptote. So let's pick, let's say -3 and -3.5. Duha lang, pwede gud tolo, pero ayun na kay palis dem sarili. Okay, so let's pick -3 and -3.5. So that will be our your f of x. So do similar computations. I-substitute lang nimo siya sa your f of x, so -3. So of course our value is, diba, tong f of x kay kuan man x plus 1, x plus 4. So ipuli lang nimo diha si x. Okay, you substitute. So -3 plus 1 or -3 plus 4. So what happens now is just compute -2 over positive 1. So the answer is -2, right? So that's -2. Similarly, for -3.5, that is -3.5 plus 1 over -3.5 plus 4. So that is -2.5 over -3.5 plus 4, positive 0.5. Alright, so just divide to get the one single number divided by 0.5. So the answer is 5. -5, because negative divided by positive is negative. 2.5 divided by 0.5, that's 5. So we have -5 right here. So we have a pair of points, -3, -2, and -3.5 by -5. So just plot similarly what we did no last time. So -3, -2. So asa man na siya? -1, -2. So kung -3, -2 ang pare, so dere. Then -3.5 by 5, so we have -3, -4, -5. So naputol lang, no? Okay, so we have this one, -3.5, so na siya dere. Then positive 5. So maskin duha lang ka points atong giplat, mailhan na gyud nato nga ang graph behaves, no, from the right side of this vertical asymptote pa baba gyud siya. You can add more points, let's say you can test. So paana gyud na siya, paubos gyud na siya. So ang isa paana, ang isa paana. Okay, so kabalo na ta sa behavior, no? Okay, so take note that this one again approaches to positive infinity, pasaka nya kini approaches to negative infinity. Okay. So next, okay, we can actually okay, now proceed to finding or plotting or graphing the horizontal asymptote. Now for the horizontal asymptote, that is y equals 1. Y equals 1. So how do we plot y equals 1? Y equals 1. So y equals 1 looks like this. Okay. So now, the horizontal asymptote again will tell us na dapat atong graph dili mo touch diha, no? Okay. So now we're done, and then we're going to plot now the I think we're ready to plot the graph, the rational function, and then we're going to add many additional points if possible, as needed. But now let's see if kailangan pa ba nato. So let's plot now. So we'll use the blue one, or what color do you prefer? Okay, let's say red. So let's plot. So ana ang behavior. So dili pwede nga ang atong graph mo og agi kay na may horizontal asymptote, di ba? Bawal man na siya. So wala tay choice kun dili ana gyud ang pagka-graph dari nga side, no? May horizontal asymptote man mo approach man gyud siya nya dari na vertical asymptote. So ana lang gyud siya. Ang next kay dili ka magplot og paana ha kay di naman na function. Okay? Di naman na function kay mo violate ka sa horizontal line test. So meaning dari na pug ka nga side mo plot. Okay? Dari nga side mo plot. So yeah. Niagi man, remember naman tay mga intercepts, do not forget. Okay? Naman tay mga intercepts, so ayaw kalimti diha mo agi ang atong mga graph sa x, sa y axis ug sa x axis respectively. Nya mo agi po na siya diha. So meaning dili pug ka magpaana ngano man mo agi man siya sa horizontal, dili pwede. So wala kay choice kun dili paana ang imuhang dagway sa imuhang graph. Okay. So yeah, let's just follow that. So as x approaches to positive, mo approach agad siya dito sa ato ang horizontal asymptote here in this side. Paana lang gid siya nya, mo approach lang gid siya kaya naman kay asymptote. So this is our, so I think we're done. Okay? Dili na ta mo plot dere. Okay? Bawal na kay kung mo plot pa ta dere ay mo graph pa ta dere, dili na ma-function. Okay? Pag vertical line test nimo di man na pwede. So dili na ka mo plot dere nga part. So basically this is the graph of our rational function defined by sa ganito nga rational function f of x equals x plus 1 over x plus 4. So this one now kaning red kay mo nang graph ni f. Okay, defined by this equation. F of x equals x plus 1 over x plus 4. So let's try to verify this one using our calculator. So delete. Okay, so y equals x plus 1 over x plus 4, right? Okay. Now, similar ba siya? Similar ba? Or mo gyud? Mo gyud. Okay, just compare. Okay, mo gyud siya. No? Mo gyud siya ang isa ana, yang isa kay paana. So, yeah. Correct. Di lang nato makita dari ang horizontal o vertical asymptote, but we can add, no, if you want. So first we have x equals negative 4. Okay. Let's add x equals negative 4. Okay, so munang vertical asymptote. Okay, then I'll add another. I'm sorry. It should be x equals negative 4. Okay. Ang isa ka asymptote tong horizontal kay kuan man to, no? X equals y equals 1. Okay, y equals 1. Okay, so nakita ninyo the line in gray, di lang nako makita ang gray. I think we can change the color. Hopefully ma-change ang color niya. Settings. Yeah, I can choose another color. Let's say red. Mas makita agad ang red. And then, yeah. Red. And then this one is red. I'll change the color of this. Another red. Okay. So as you can see now, this is our vertical and horizontal asymptote. So klaro gid no, mga asymptote siya. Okay. And then this one is also an asymptote. Okay. May approach na gid siya. So if you try to compare the graph, so pareha ra gid kayo. All right. So that would be all for graphing. So rational function. Hopefully you can practice the number 2 to 4. So for number 2, just to give you an overview, for number 2, okay na siya, na factor naman. Yeah. The degree in the numerator is greater, less than the denominator. So wala gyapoy oblique. For number 3, as you can observe, na ba siya oblique? Yes, na. Okay. Mas dako pa man niya ang exponent by 1, 1. So mas lamang pa siya isa kontra sa ubos, di ba? Kay 2 ang sa taas, 1 sa ubos. So momentong condition, no, para magkaroon ta ng oblique. So ang si number 3 nay oblique. So meaning kung nay oblique, wala siya horizontal asymptote. So mo nang bantay for number 3. For number 4 pareha. So na siya horizontal, wala siya oblique. So please practice number 2 to 4. Okay? So that would be all for graphing. Please remember the guidelines. And then that would be all. Thank you very much for watching the video and have a nice day.